Welcome to QuoteMan. In this video, you will learn step by step on how to create a salesperson in QuoteMan. First, log into your QuoteMan admin account using your mobile number and password. After logging in, you'll land on the QuoteMan dashboard page. From menu bar, click on the Salesperson option. Here, click on the Create Salesperson button to create a new salesperson. Next, select the salutation and enter the salesperson's name, email address, designation, and mobile number. Enter the PAN number and Aadhaar number, fill in the address field. You can also upload the salesperson's image by clicking on the Choose File button. These details are not mandatory, so you can also skip them. Now, enter the quotation prefix. This helps the admin easily identify quotations created by a particular salesperson. At this time, I'm selecting the first letters of the first and last name, as shown on your screen. Next, enter the discount limit percentage and create a temporary login password for your salesperson. The password should be 12 to 30 characters with at least one uppercase, one lowercase, one number, and one symbol. Make sure all the information is entered correctly before saving the details. Once all details are checked, click on the Submit button. You'll see a confirmation message indicating that the salesperson has been created successfully. The newly added salesperson will now appear in the salesperson list and can be assigned to quotations. You can also edit or delete the salesperson. Simply click on the I View button as shown on screen. That's it. Thank you for watching. Visit quoteman.in to manage your sales team and quotations more efficiently.